Hello, first graders. We are going to start my favorite unit in all of first grade. That means it's my favorite out of everything we learn in math, everything we learn in skills, and everything we learn in CKLA because this unit is awesome and it's so much fun and we do lots of cool things. So, these three books are a hint to what we are going to learn about. So there's one, here's another, there's another. What do you think, looking at those books, what do you think we're going to be learning about? Let's look at this one. Have any ideas yet? If you said that you think we're going to be learning about outer space or astronomy, then you are correct. We are about to begin our astronomy unit. So before I tell you your assignments for today, I'm going to read you one of these books so that we can get a little taste. This one is called Mission to Space. Mission to Space by John Harrington. When I was a little boy, I liked to shoot rockets with my dad and my older brother. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff, the Space Shuttle Endeavour. I am Commander John B. Harrington, and I am Chickasaw. Flying in space takes a lot of training. So, the person who wrote this book is the character in the book. That's John B. Harrington, and this book is written by John B. Harrington. I trained in a virtual reality laboratory. I trained in a pool called the Neutral Buoyancy Laboratory. It takes a lot of hard work to do something well. Soon, I was ready to fly to the International Space Station with my fellow astronauts. While we waited in the shuttle, there was a very important celebration happening in the rocket garden at the Kennedy Space Center. Chickasaw Nation Governor Bill Anotubby, I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, and Lieutenant Governor Jefferson Keel presented a Chickasaw blanket to NASA. People came from miles away to sing, dance, and celebrate. The rockets ignite with a great shudder, and we blast off into orbit around the Earth. The International Space Station will be our home for the next 2 weeks. Look, my eagle feather and flute float in space. Astronaut Donald R. Pettit helps me with my EMU, Extravehicular Mobility Unit suit. Now it is time to spacewalk. Am I upside down or right side up? We are 220 miles above Earth. Our helmets, suits, and gloves protect us from the extreme cold and heat. An astronaut's helmet has a special visor. It protects our eyes from the bright light of the sun. Mission accomplished. We have successfully landed back on Earth. I hope you guys liked that story. In just a minute, I'm going to explain your assignments for today. Okay, so your first thing that you need to do is you are going to have to get a blank piece of paper, a pencil, and then you're probably going to want some crayons or colored pencils or some markers, okay? And I want you to go outside and you're going to look up at the sky and you are going to draw what kinds of things you see in the sky. What are some things that you might see in the sky during the daytime? Maybe the sun, some clouds, maybe a bird or a plane or a helicopter. Okay, and you are going to draw a picture of the sky during the day. And I also want you to label the things that you see in the sky during the day. Okay, and then after dinner, once it's gotten dark out, I want you to go back outside and I want you to draw a picture, another picture of the sky, but it's going to look different because it's nighttime. I want you to make sure you're labeling your pictures and you are using colors, okay? Then you have another thing I want you to do. I want you to create a quick video or you can make a word web. A word web is when you have a topic. So our topic is space, excuse me, space or astronomy. And then you write that word very big. So I'm going to write it space. S-P-A-C-E. And you write it in the middle of your paper, just like that. And then you can do a circle around it. I'm going to make like a cloud around it, like that. And then you're going to put little lines that come off of it, and you can doodle things that you know about space. You can write words, okay? And this is stuff that you know about space. So I know that there is a moon and there is a sun in space, okay? I know that people can travel to space in a spaceship. There's my spaceship. Okay, so you're going to do that. So you can either make a video telling me things that you already know, or you can make a word web. Okay, so that's your second assignment. So you're going to draw a picture of the night sky and the day sky, and you're going to label it. You are going to make a video or a word web on things you already know about space. And then the very last thing is you are going to think about 2 or 3 questions that you have about space. And you are going to write them down. So, what do I want to know about space? I want to know, why is it dark at night? Okay. And I wrote it down. I also want to know, why can I see the moon early in the morning? And then the last thing I want to know is, how big is the moon? So I wrote 1, 2, 3 questions. And then after you've written your questions, you're going to have the help of an adult, and you are going to have them help you find the answers using the internet, okay? You do not have to write down the answers. I just want you to start thinking about astronomy and ask questions and refresh your memory of things you might have already learned. Okay, so those are your 3 assignments. You are going to draw a picture of the night sky and the day sky. You are going to label them. You are going to you're going to choose whether you want to make a video or a word web for the things you already know about space. And then you are going to ask 2 or 3 questions about space, and you are going to have an adult help you research the answers, but you do not have to write the answers down. All right, guys, I can't wait to see all of your questions. Bye.